Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, the Daily Forex. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a strategy that you can use to grow your small accounts, scalp the markets, and make profits. Okay, now this strategy requires patience and a lot of observation. All right, when you're trading on boom and crash. Okay, so it's a boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account, scalp the market. You can use it to catch spikes and also trade the candles, take between 10 to 5 candlesticks successfully with this strategy. All right. Now, let's get on with it. All right. Now, first and foremost, right now, we'll go into, the indicator section so that I can share with you guys, the parameters for the strategy. Now, we'll go over to the indicator section right now. And the first indicator we want to check is the moving average. Okay. Now, you select the moving average on the indicator section right here, and you put the period to 14. Then you put shift to 0. Method, you can set that to exponential. Then you apply to close. And when you're done with that, you want to put the style to 3 pixel with color green. All right. Then you put on this first trend line. Then you click on done after that. Then for the second indicator, you're going to make sure that you put that to the moving average as well. So we're using, double moving average on the main window. All right. Now you put the period to 50. You set shift to 0. Method, you put that to exponential. Then you apply to close. All right. Then for the style right here, you put that to 3 pixels with color black with this first trend line. All right. Then you click on save. Then on indicator window 1, you want to select this stochastic oscillator. Very important because this is going to be the main indicator we're going to be using for this strategy. Okay. Then you put the stochastic oscillator, the K period 1, D period, you set that to 1 as well. Then for the slowing, you put that to 1, as you can see. Then for the price feed, you put that to slow the low/high. Method is going to be simple. Then for the levels right here, you set 20 and 80. Okay, for the levels, right? Then you put the style on 1 pixel with black color at this very point with this first red line. Then you go back after that. Then you set, the style right here on the main. You put that to 1 pixel with the color of your screen. Okay, color of your background. So if you are using a black background, you want to make sure that you set the color to black. If you're using white, set the color to white. All right. Then for the signal, the color of your screen on 1 pixel with this first red line. Then you click on done. Then for the next indicator, which we are going to be using, is going to be the moving average. All right. The moving average, you set the period to 10. Then you put shift to 0. The method is going to be simple. Then you apply to close. Then when you're done with that, you want to put the levels to none. Then the style, you put that on 3 pixels. Okay. With color red with this first red line. Then you click on save after that. Now we're done, setting all the parameters for this strategy. So next, which we're going to be doing right here is to, see how the strategy works on boom and crash. Okay. Now we're going to be doing this on the 1 minute time frame, but we're also going to be observing, our entries on the higher time frame to confirm our entries, right? It's very important to always go over to the higher time frame to confirm your entries before going back to the 1 minute time frame. Very important. So let's zoom in quickly. All right, you can use the third zoom level at the very point. Now, we're in the current trend market right here. So what we'll do right now is to go over to the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. Let's observe what the market is giving us on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. So currently, what I'm seeing right here is that this market has gotten to the overbought already. So we know that the market is going to reverse, right, for a sell. But this market will continue to buy for, a certain amount of time before the market will drop, okay? Now, you can enter into this market right now as it is for a buy, trying to catch the spikes. You know that boom, it spikes up, by crash, spike down. So if you go in for a buy right now, you might catch spike, but the market will be selling for a little bit, but we don't want to do this, right? We don't want to catch the spike yet. So what we want to do is to trade the candles, okay? But we already know the current market trend. All right. Now let's go over to the 1 minute time frame. Since we already know where the price is at the moment. Now we'll go over to the 1 minute time frame at this very point and observe our entries. All right. Now what we're going to do right here is to confirm our basic entries at this very point. What we're going to be doing is when this moving average right here, which you're seeing at this very point, you can see there's a moving average right at this very point. Once it gets above, this level of 80 at this very point, you wait for 2 confirmations. All right, wait for 2 confirmations. Here is the first confirmation. When you see this point here, this green moving average, when price cross below this green moving average, that's the first confirmation. Then you wait again for the second confirmation, which is this black moving average at this very point. Once price cross below this point, here is going to be your entry. At this moment here, you wait until price cross above here, level of 80. Price cross below this first moving average. You wait again until price crosses below this second moving average, which is this black line. So this is our main confirmation. First confirmation, second confirmation for us to go into the market, which is this black, moving average. Then at this very point, you go into the market, you scalp the market, take about 5 to 10 candlesticks from that very point in time. All right, you can see from this point here, from this point right here to this very point, you can see that it's a good amount of profit for you to make on the market, taking advantage of small price movement between 5 to 10 candlesticks. Now, again, I told you guys that this strategy requires a lot of patience. Okay, so all you need to do is to wait for that perfect opportunities, that perfect entry before you place your sell into the market. Okay, remember this is the boom 1000 index market. So you go into the market, you place your sell to cash. You go into the market, you place your sell, to trade, the candles for either 5 to 10 candlesticks. You just take advantage of those, small price movement from the market. Okay. And you do that at a position whereby you know that the chances of the market selling is really, really high. That's the only position. That's why we're waiting when price get to, the overbought at that level of 80. Now you need to wait until price crosses below, the down moving average, which is the black moving average. Once price crosses below, as you can see at this very point here, you go in for a sell, take between 5 and 10 candlesticks. All right, 5 and 10 candlesticks. You wait again for another opportunity, as you can see. All right, now this is another opportunity right here. Price crosses below this moving average above level 80 at this very point. Your first confirmation right here. Price crosses below this first moving average, which is this green line. The next moving average is this black line. At this very point, you go in for your sell, take 5 and 10 candlesticks at this very point in time. Now, this strategy may not work all the time because it's not 100%. Because if it's 100% strategy, meaning everyone's going to be making a lot of money, right? But basically, this strategy is not 100%. Okay, so we're going to call this a 90% accuracy strategy. So you only go in for that perfect opportunity when you see that the market is in a position whereby you know that this market, the chances of the market selling is really, really high. Then you go in when you see your first confirmation, you wait again for your second confirmation, and you enter into the market for a sell. Scalp the market 5 to 10 candlesticks, and you're out of the market. No need to be greedy or the market. Take what you can and you exit. All right, now this is for boom 1000 index, as you can see right here. Boom 1000 index, as you can see right now. Okay, boom 1000 index. Now what we're going to do is to go over to crash 1000 index market. Over to crash 1000 index right now. All right, now so on crash market right now, we're going to be using the same setup and parameters for the the setup we use on the bull market on crash market. Okay, so basically this market is kind of the opposite direction, but I want you to pay a close attention so that you can understand this crash market very powerfully. Now on the crash market right now, we are currently seeing that the market is a little bit tricky right now. So we have the moving average, both moving average on main window and the moving average on the main chart. Now remember that we're going to be using the third zoom level. Okay, use the third zoom level at the very point in time. So how do we get our perfect entry? We're going to wait until this moving average right here gets to the level of 20. Okay, we zoom out a little bit, as you can see at the very point. Once it gets to the level of 20, you wait for a second confirmation. Remember that this strategy is not 100%, so there might be a particular position whereby the spike might come in. Okay, yeah, so there might be a particular side whereby spike can come in, so you need to know those positions when you are using this strategy. All right, now you need to know that there might be a certain position whereby you need to take just about 5 candles, 4 candles. Okay, and there are some other position whereby you need to take about 10 candlesticks. Okay, you need to know this as a trader. All right, when you see a danger zone, you know that okay, this is a danger zone. I don't need to stay in the market for a very long period of time. Just go in, take some more advantage. Take some more. I called those candles you are taking as advantage, right? So you take small advantage of price movement at that very point. Then you wait again for another opportunity, as you can see at this point. First confirmation right here, we can see this is the first confirmation. Price gets below the level of 20. The market bought above this grid line. First confirmation. This is the second confirmation. Here, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You exit. After that 5, there was a spike. All right. After the spike, after that 5, there was a spike. Level of 20 at this very point. You go in here. First confirmation. Second confirmation. You count 10 candlesticks or 5 candlesticks. Very powerful strategy that you can use to grow your small account into a big account. You can also cast spike with this strategy. How do you cast spike on crash 1000? On crash 1000, you wait until the moving average gets to the 80 level of the stochastic oscillator. Once it crosses above at this very point, you watch out for spikes here. A good entry, you can trace it down from this point here to this point. When it crosses above, you can see the very long spike that came through in the market. This is the overbought, cross above, a very long spike. So you can use it to catch your spikes. Even on the bull market, once the moving average get below the level of 20 on the bull market, the market is still going to buy, which is a spike. Okay, so you want to know this as a trader who is trading synthetic indices, boom and crash. All right, you want to make sure that you understand this. You know where the danger zone is, when to avoid taking more entries. If you're selling on boom, you know when to take just small sales and small buys on crash market. All right, so I hope you understand everything that I've said to you guys about this strategy in this video. And also, guys, join my Telegram community, the Daily Forex on Telegram. My Telegram community, I share with you guys tips, give you guys free signals daily on a daily basis on Forex, boom and crash indices, and volatility index as well. And also I have a VIP section whereby I give daily signals on the VIP up to 10 on our VIP session. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.